Hello everybody, it's Lacy here from Air to Earth, and I just want to go over how I camp, how I pack on my camping trip when I am flying to my destination. And usually we go, my husband and I, for 2 weeks, and we're doing mostly all outdoorsy stuff. We're obviously staying in a tent, and we are hiking, we are maybe whitewater rafting, maybe biking, so maybe horseback riding. There's so many things, like whatever outdoorsy you can think of, we have probably done it on a trip. So I want to go over, in a previous video, I went over this, what I wore on the plane. And so this is my pile of stuff that I would wear on the plane. So this gets minimized. That's why it's so important, like what you're wearing on the plane, because you can minimize like literally by wearing this much stuff. So we are gonna go over what's in my bag. So I don't have anything fancy as far as for a bag right now. As you can see, this is an e-bag and it's their TLR or something like that. I'll put it in the notes. But it's served me well. I've had it for 10 years and I don't know, I like it. I like it because bags are important when you're traveling. And so I like it because it has a lot of compartments, and it was really inexpensive. I think it was like $65 when I bought it. It's got all of this in here, which I didn't even use this space for this trip. So it's got all these zipper organizational parts here. So you can look on eBags if you want more information about this bag. It also has a spot up here for storage. So it's got a water bottle storage thing, but that's not what you're here to learn about. It's not my bag. But I really do like the bag. So I travel with my Camelback, and because we're always hiking and we need water, right? So I will go over that last. So in the bag, I have everything is in packing cubes. And that way, like, I like to stay really, really organized. So I use packing cubes, and then they're interlaced in here with the packing system here that I use. So in one bag, I keep, and this is, again, you guys, for 15-day trip usually, and I'm camping out in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna definitely be around people because we're in national parks. Typically that have been our trips. We're trying to go see all the national parks. And we are staying like where there might be running water, there may not be running water. So we do laundry, yes. And so you're definitely gonna do laundry, and that can be in a stream as well. So in my first bag, I have all of my like undergarments, and I also have this on my packing list too, and I literally write down before I go everything that's in this bag. Why? Because I like my stuff, and I only bring stuff that I'm going to actually wear and love it when I'm wearing it, and it's going to be fashionable and functional. So in here I have a swimming suit, and then I have underwear. And so I'm not going to show you my underwear, but obviously I'm wearing a pair of underwear when I fly. And then I usually bring 2 to 3 more pair of underwear in here. And I do use the underwear that is quick drying, and I also use the period underwear, if you've heard about that. There's 2 different brands, which I'll put in the notes, and they're pretty similar, and they're awesome. And then for sleeping, I was going to recommend, instead of bringing pajamas, is to find a camisole and underwear, maybe boy shorts that you can wear to bed that are going to be more of like silk, because it's a great lightweight fabric, and it also is breathable, and it washes up super awesome, and it lasts forever. So, you know, for sleeping, you can just do a little cami or something like that. And again, silk is a great material to use. To be honest with you, I haven't found like the perfect silk pajamas or multi-use thing yet. So if anybody has any ideas about that, please let me know. And then I always have 2 pairs of socks. That's it. That's all I bring and I'm in my socks every day. I bring a really long pair. So these are by Smartwool and they go up to my knees because it might be cold, and then I just want longer, you know, socks for warmth. So I bring, just to recap, 2 pairs of socks, 1 hikers that are lower and 1 hikers that are taller. And then I bring 3 to 4 pair of underwear for 15 days and a swimming suit, pajamas. And typically if I am going to wear a bra or need a bra on the trip, I will bring 1 bra that I like, and it's usually a t-shirt bra or something lightweight, but I typically more go towards a sports bra. So because I'm doing a lot of outdoorsy stuff, so I don't even usually bring a bra. So when it comes to bottoms, I'm obviously wearing 1 pair and I'm wearing a legging. And so it depends on the season, but I'm wearing a short, these are Lululemon, and they're just like really breathable fabric. And I always bring 1 pair of legging, whether it's capris or full length. And then I always bring a dress and wear the dress. And then I have these pants by ANATOMIE, and they are awesome because you can dress them up or dress them down, and they are a travel brand, and so they're fairly expensive, but love them. And they come in a whole bunch of variety of colors. So as you can see, I roll everything because it just fits in there, and like that rolls up to nothing. So because of the fabric, you want to choose fabrics that are lightweight, that are going to wash up really easily and wear really good. Like I've had these for 6 years and they still look really, really good. And they look good on too. So I also bring like a skirt. I don't know, I can't say that. And this has a lining in it, so it's actually shorts and then a skirt over it. I don't know, I prefer that. Or you could just bring a regular skirt. And then I always bring a pair of shorts, and these are just the Patagonia, like they're regular elastic band shorts, because these are great for hiking. You can wear them over biking shorts. You can wear them to bed. I mean, they're great, easy on, easy off, and they dry super quick. So my other bag that I have is going to be all my shirts. So I kind of stick to a color palette. Like black is my base, and then my shirts I try to be a little bit more colorful. So if I'm going camping and I'm going to be in the mountains, I want to do, I want to plan accordingly, because in the mountains it could be 80 and then drop down to like 40, 30 sometimes. So we have to be prepared as campers. So obviously I have this dress that I traveled with, and then I also have a full length tank top under here with the built-in support. And then I also bring 2 more tank tops. And so again, I'm looking at quick dry material and something that can wash up really good. And so I have this top, which also looks really nice when you dress it up, and it's kind of flowy material. So, and it's lightweight and it's breathable and it feels nice when you're wearing it. So I wear that, and then I also have another tank top, and I also really, really enjoy the Prana brand. And so this, you can also put the cups in there that are in this one that I'm wearing right now. So I usually bring 2 or 3 tank tops. For this trip, I did do another tank top, and this one is by Patagonia too. So, and again, these are actually cotton ones. They take a little bit longer to dry, but they're really comfortable when you are hiking. And then this is a really lightweight long sleeve top. And so this I like to bring as well, because so this is a lightweight long sleeve top, and this is by Athleta. And I like to bring this as well because it's lighter weight, And I usually bring one long sleeve one, but my one that I usually bring for if it gets really cold out is from Patagonia. And I forget what this is called, but it has a hood on it and it's the merino wool and it is awesome. So because it's so warm, but it also is very temperature controlled. So if you layer right, it's going to be really warm. And if you just want to wear it like almost like a sweater, you can do so as well. So also in my bag, I have gloves because you always need gloves. And these are just the Hestra, like it's the liners, because again, it's a summer trip. And then for my cosmetic bag here, I looked high and low for like the perfect cosmetic bag because I want everything organized and I want it to work while I go to the shower because I'm going to places where I might have to hang this up most of the time. You are, and the showers in national parks are not that great. So some of them are good, but just depends. So I want this like to be able to wash it out too, so it washes up really good. It has a built-in hanger once you open it. It has a hanger back here. It also has a back zipper. So, and then I put a carabiner on here with my hair brush because obviously, you know, hey, I got a lot of hair, so it's important to me. And then in here, a couple things for cosmetics is I supplement, and so it's important to stay healthy on your trip. And so I buy like the individually packed where it has all my vitamins right in there. I also always have this friction block by Band-Aid because when you get blisters, it really sucks. It kind of can ruin your trip. And then I wear minimal makeup, like what I'm wearing now, like I don't wear any makeup on a trip. And then I have all my hair products. I do like travel size. And I have this little bag that has a cleansing cloth in it. I have Q-tips, I have deodorant, and if you go to your local salon or wherever you get your aesthetics done, like your skincare, you can ask them for little samples and even pay for them. They might give them to you. So ask for those. I mean, like I'm pretty particular about my skincare, and so I bring the brand that I am, usually using. And then I'll bring mascara and some, essentials for my skincare if we do go out in a nice mountain town. So I look like the locals. So that's what's in my bag there. And then in my camelback, obviously we're not gonna have water in here, but I have a whistle. I have another carabiner, bear bell, because we go in a lot of places, there's a lot of bear activity. And then in my camelback here, I have my headlight. And I have a bug shield, which if you have gone to Canada during the right time of year, you're gonna need it, folks. And then I also have my hat. And again, this is by Patagonia. I love Patagonia. This folds up really nice and it's a sun hat. So you can wear it like as a cowboy hat, whatever. Anyway, so this is an awesome product. Then these neck gaiters are great for keeping the sun. You can also, I put it around my neck and I'll put it again in a stream, kind of like I did with my scarf, and put it around my neck. And then I also can put it, use it as a hairband and then cover my whole head. So I always bring one of those as well. And then let's see what else I got in my bag here. I don't think much. Oh, I already showed you the flashlight. No, I didn't. That's flashlight. And then usually I would have also in here, which is a great product to have, I would put it in my camelback, is this solar charger. So when you're hiking, you just tap your phone in there and it charges while you're hiking with the solar power. So that works great. Just don't put it on the dash of your car and drive off. So, Anyway, the other thing I'm trying this year too is the one thing that we didn't have for when we were camping was water filtration, and it hasn't been an issue before because of where we've gone. There's always been a good water source, but we did get into a couple pickles when we did some longer hikes. So this year I'm trying the high flow inline water filter, and this is from MSR, and it goes right into my Camelback, into the line here. So check that out. So I'll let you know how that is. So yeah, so that's what's in my bag, and that's for 15 days. And I also have my packing sheet here, which I can share with you. And so happy camping.